weeks after our KXAN investigation, Protect and Serve revealed hundreds of official allegations of harassment and discrimination at the Texas Department of Public Safety since 2013. A federal lawsuit is being filed in Austin alleging a culture of corruption at the agency.
Lawmakers are talking about the need to look into how the agency's investigation division operates and asking why so few allegations result in disciplinary actions at DPS. As KXAN investigator Brittany Glass explains, the plaintiff in the lawsuit says the problem is widespread.
Claims of cover-ups. One the plaintiff alleges involves the May 2016 murder of Ronnie Horaney, an East Texas businessman. The lawsuit states the murder investigation was compromised after the Texas Rangers discovered their lead investigator was involved in a sexual relationship with the victim's widow. And a case involving a questionable traffic stop in February 2017.
It's a white pickup truck, and the guy's wearing a suit. And he brake checked me, and I went around him on the right side, gave him the finger, and he turned all these lights and sirens on.
Before Round Rock police arrive, a ranger in an unmarked DPS pickup truck points a gun at the driver.
I want the director of DPS down here to talk to this guy. He deserve to be doing that. And then when I ask him who he is, all I see is a gun shaking, and I'm like this.
These cases and others brought up in this 24-page federal lawsuit filed by a retired special agent with the State Criminal Investigation Division at DPS. Darren Luby says some favored DPS workers abuse their power and harass employees.
My belief is there's a systemic problem top to bottom, and particularly top. The senior commanders have allowed this kind of culture to flourish, and so I think the legislature needs to get involved.
Just last month, we asked Director Stephen McCraw about allegations like these at DPS. He says the agency takes equal employment opportunity matters seriously.
If it's criminal, the Texas Rangers will investigate it, and we have the Office of Inspector General that reports directly to the Commission, and she will do an independent investigation. And if it's found that there's a violation, we'll terminate people, period. Make no mistakes.
But the lawsuit alleges that office, meant to protect DPS employees, conducts sham investigations. The retired special agent says he faced retaliation after filing a formal harassment complaint, then says he was harassed into an early retirement.
I'm hoping the Texas legislature in the upcoming session will take a hard look at DPS and hold some hearings on this.
Brittany Glass, KXAN Investigates.
When we reached out to DPS today for comment on the litigation, we were told in a statement the department looks forward to refuting these spurious claims through the proper legal proceedings.
The number of allegations of discrimination, harassment, sexual harassment, and retaliation agency-wide has nearly doubled from 46 in 2016 to 85 last year. Only about 10% of the allegations in the 5 years we analyzed were substantiated, meaning in the majority of cases, nothing was proven and no one was disciplined. It's important to remember that by law, any allegation made against troopers is only shared with the public if that trooper is disciplined. Last year, that number was 0. For a full breakdown of allegations, check out our story, Protect and Serve, in the investigative section on KXAN.com.